Welcome to my channel. Today we will be outlining some of the general cancer prevention tips. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Healthy diet. Consume a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit red meat and processed foods. Be mindful of portion sizes. Tip number 2. Physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Tip number 3. Tobacco. Avoid all forms of tobacco, including smoking and smokeless tobacco. Secondhand smoke exposure should also be minimized. Tip number 4. Alcohol. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. For women, this means up to 1 drink per day, and for men, up to 2 drinks per day. Tip number 5. Sun protection. Protect your skin from the sun by using sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, and avoiding excessive sun exposure, especially during peak hours. Tip number 6. Vaccinations. Get vaccinated against viruses that can cause cancer, such as Hepatitis B, and certain strains of the Human Papillomavirus, HPV. Tip number 7. Screenings. Follow recommended cancer screening guidelines for your age and risk factors. These can include mammograms, pap tests, colonoscopies, and more. Tip number 8. Occupational and Environmental Hazards. Be aware of potential carcinogens in your workplace and environment. Take precautions to minimize exposure. Tip number 9. Healthy weight. Maintain a healthy body weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise, as obesity is linked to an increased risk of cancer. Tip number 10. Stress management. Practice stress reduction techniques like mindfulness, yoga, or meditation, as chronic stress can have negative health impacts. Tip number 11. Regular checkups. Visit your healthcare provider for regular checkups and discuss any concerns or symptoms promptly. Tip number 12. Family history. Be aware of your family's cancer history and inform your healthcare provider, as some cancers can have a genetic component. Remember that while these tips can reduce your risk, there are no guarantees. Regular health checkups and early detection are important in the fight against cancer. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.